everybody, this is Silvia. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited because I haven't done a video in such a long time, but I am definitely ready to be back. I had a lot of things going on in my personal life that I moved and I had a few changes in my life, so that definitely set me back a little bit. And unfortunately, sometimes you have to prioritize, and you know, things happen, life happens, but I'm so excited to be back. And I'm pretty much coming back with a few videos on doing my own Christmas cards. I have been trying to do cards for a while, along with everything else that I like to do. But that's kind of how I'm coming back, because that's what I've been doing within the last few weeks. Trying to get some cards going, just because I have a lot of paper pads, and I had a lot of paper pads since last year that I've been collecting, and I figured that I should probably do something with them. So today I'm just gonna share with you some of the ones that I've already made, because I didn't make any videos of actually me making them, but they're so, I think I'm very proud of myself, because this is the first time that I'm actually making some cards. And so the next video that I hopefully load up soon, I can show you my process of me making the cards, because I do have a lot of material still pending on what I want to do. So let me share some of the things that some of the cards that I've actually made. So here's this one that is pretty much what I'm doing is I'm just using the basic white cardstock background, and in this one I just used black. This paper, to be honest, I don't remember what paper pads they were from, because I had a whole bunch of items that I was just cutting, and I was kind of just thinking this is gonna work with this, and I just kind of mixed them up, so I don't remember. I'm sorry about that. But this one here, I ended up using this black chalkboard background, and then it has a different wording on it, and I just kind of added this white and red stripes. I ended up using, like I said, I was using like all leftover and any leftover. So this one here are musical notes. I ended up doing some, I used my my die cut machine. I can't remember what that one's called. It's that, oh my goodness, I don't remember the name, but it's that, they had been selling those at Tuesday Morning for really inexpensive, so that's kind of what I used here. And I did a whole bunch of them. Like, I could show you what I have once I'm done, but I just did this. I put these cardstock or cardboard stickers that they were selling. I think I got them at Tuesday Morning. So these, the Mambi chips, that's what I was using. And I bought so many stuff, and I felt bad that I wasn't able to record them so that I could show you. But this is pretty much what I used, the Mambi chips from Me and My Big Ideas. And they're just stickers, but they're like the hard kind, like kind of like cardboard stock ones. And then here I use this is from Dollar Tree. I use that for this here, just to give it a little bit of bling. So that's one of them. This one here, I used the gingerbread background, and then I used just the red and white polka dots with the green. And here I used a circle. The circle, it was perfect because when I cut it, I didn't have enough green paper, so it was perfect because I was able to use it on the side there. And I used this a sticker that said Happy Holidays. That one I got at Dollar Tree. It's pretty much the gift tags that are stickers. That's what I use. I just cut around it, and then I use that little bling again, and I just thought it was really cute. And then I use this little background here with the stripes. This one right here is one of my favorites, I guess maybe because of the glitter, but I used this background here, and then once again I use this the die cuts, that machine. Oh, I can't believe it's, I think it's from, is it from We Are Memory Keepers? I don't remember. I don't think it is. It might be. I think it is. I have to look it up. It's just been such a long time. Like, it's been such a long time that I haven't been doing this. But I definitely used the machine for this because I can't cut this. So I used the white, I used the red, and then I used one of those stickers again that say Happy Holidays. What I did for these, I ended up using that tape, the double-sided tape that's thick. That way it kind of gave it, it gave it some dimension. And then I used this, the red washi tape that I had. I just used glue on it. Here I used some gold thread. So I just put it there a few times and I just kind of pulled on it, and I put, because I have the sticky tape on the back, that's how it's being held in. This one is so cool. So this one I used it's just a design background. It's just red and white. And then here I used something that just said Christmas list. And then I ended up using this washi tape again. And I ended up just pretty much doing like a little, the little flag design on there. And then I ended up putting this on here once again with the dimensional little, this one is not the tape, these are the actual dots. So I used that. And then I ended up putting just this little Let's Be Jolly sticker on there. So that's kind of what I used there. This one here, I really like the type of green that they used here. It's more like a evergreen kind of green, I guess, because it's not bright, but it's a little bit darker, but not so dark. So I ended up using this background here with the trees. I used this, and I just pretty much used a round corner on this one. I made it a square, and then I did a white square, and then I did this one. These are cards. I don't know if I have them here. Oh, it's these cards right here, and I got them at, these I got last year at Tuesday morning, and they're just a whole bunch of different cards. I'm sorry about the noise, but I'll show you later. But it's pretty much cards, and they're double-sided, so that's what I used there. But this one was just so cute. The hearts and just the color combination was just beautiful. And once again, I used this. This one is not washi tape. Actually, this is paper. This one, it's actually a paper pad that I got from Joann's. This one probably was last year too, or maybe even 2 years ago. And I just kind of used this, and I just made cuts. So here, there's other ones here that I was using. So this one came in really handy when I was doing my cards. And then this is the last one I believe I have that are complete. Well, I'm gonna say complete, but this one right here is really cute because it has this little cute design background that has gingerbread, stockings, candies, milk, cookies, snow globes. It's really cute. I ended up just doing a regular little red background, and then I put this white cardstock on it, and then and then this little gingerbread man on here. And then I used the I had never bought these before. Where are they? But I ended up buying these Nuvo glitter drops. I got this one in, oh gosh, I don't even know what. Oh, this one's a white blizzard color. So white blizzard, and then I also got this one in glitter. It just says Gold Coast. And I have this other one that's just the pink one. This one's a pink orchid. I haven't opened this one yet. But I got this one off of scrapbooking.com, I believe. But this one is the one I used on here, and it was pretty cool. I've never used these before, but it was pretty cool because you're able to give it like little accents. So I did it there on the little buttons there. You can kind of see it. It looks better in person, but I use that. But pretty much that's what I've been doing. Like, I've been doing these little cards, and I'm trying to like just work on getting little things done here and there. My goal is to make sets of these little cards to kind of probably sell them to people that are interested in cards. It's kind of sad that a lot of people have lost a tradition where you actually give somebody a card for Christmas. But I know, like, for me, I do know a lot of people that they collect these things. Like, I know some aunts, some family members, and some friends that actually collect the cards that people give them, and they kind of use them as decorations for their trees or for their chimneys. So that's pretty cool. So I think that I'm gonna end up doing some of these little sets and just putting them together for people that are interested in buying them. Mostly probably gonna be people that that know me and that know that I do the cards. But definitely let me know what you guys are up to. I know that I have been trying to watch some of the videos on YouTube of people that I follow, and a lot of people, you know, like I said, life happens, but I always get excited when I get to see videos of people that I follow. And right now my thing is making cards. I know that this channel started with doing planning stuff, which I still plan. That's a big part of what I do in my personal life, is just planning. Right now it's pretty much me keeping track of pretty much, you know, what I'm eating and how I'm working out and how I'm staying healthy. So that's kind of what I've been doing. It's been more of dedicating it to just specifically write in there what I'm doing, compared to when this all started was to decorate my actual planner, which I still do whenever I have a chance, but it's not that big. I do other things, and I've evolved a lot since I started this channel. But I'm definitely excited to do new things and just continue to make things, because that's my thing. I just like to do things. Like I said, right now it's just cards. Next month it might be back to sewing bags and doing other stuff with my sewing machine. But as of right now, we'll continue to do these cards. And next video for sure though, I'm gonna actually do a video of me actually putting cards together, which, let me tell you that it's very difficult for me, because I have a hard time trying to come up with the design. And I've realized that it's kind of like you have to kind of go with the flow and work with what you have. But I think maybe in the next video I'll probably show you how I prepare to make my cards, and what kind of things do I pretty much prepare with, and you know, what do I have next to me when I'm doing my cards. And then after that, maybe I'll go ahead and upload a video of me making cards, which that's what I like to see. So anyways, I want to share something with you, because I know the winter kind of started. I live in California, so it's really kind of like one day it's hot, one day it's cold. But let me tell you that my favorite scent for lotion is this one. And even though I have it for all year long, I love it for the season. Like, this is my favorite from Bath and Body Works. I'm not a big fan of the one that's like super thick, because that one I feel like I have a lather of a lot of lotion. But this is my favorite and I love it. Anyways, tell me what's your favorite. If you use Bath and Body Works, or if it's just a different one, what's your favorite scent for fall or winter? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.